Okay, this is the Programster. I just want to demonstrate PHP queues with RabbitMQ. This is the testing part of my tutorial that's coming up. As you can see, there are no queued messages, and the message rate's at nothing right now. So I'm going to start my worker over here. My job creator / publisher, and then I'm gonna have 3 little workers running here. So if I just call the publisher, so that is now creating jobs. It creates 1 a second, and in a second here you will see the queued messages pop up. There we go. So it's now got the message rate should be about 1. Yep, but obviously it took a while to kick in, so 10 messages. Oop, yep, so that should be linear going up. There are no workers, so it will just keep going up and up and up and up. So now I'm at 30 almost. Now if I start my workers, you will see I've started 1 worker and he's getting all these jobs. So he's worked from the beginning of the queue with job ID 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and because there's only 1 worker, he will get every job and try and crack through them. Obviously, if 1 job is created every second and some of these jobs require him to sleep for 2 seconds, some of them are 0 seconds, but some of them are 3 seconds, he will not manage to keep up with the queue. And you will be able to see that this still keeps rising even though there is a subscriber. I can't, not sure, I'm sure it's somewhere on the interface here. But yeah, I'm just not seeing it off the top of my head. So I can do the same again to try and keep up with the load. So I'm going to start another worker, and you can see he's now on 41, 43, 44, 42. You'll see that the IDs, you never get the same ID twice, which is good. You don't want a job to be executed by 2 different workers. You want 1 job, 1 worker. But obviously you also want the work to be spread out. Some jobs will take longer than others, i.e. sleep 3 seconds, and some of them will be 0. So you want the workers to just grab a job as soon as one's free, rather than be fair with round robin. That probably doesn't make sense the way I say it, but it's what you want and you can read into it. So I'm going to start another worker here. You can see that the queue is going down, so it looks like 2 workers is enough. But I'm going to just make it faster. Obviously, if I cancel the job creator, this queue will go down much faster because jobs aren't being added. In fact, it'll only go down. But I'm going to add another worker to really try and crack through. So 120. Yep, you can see it's kind of hard to see, but it should be random. It shouldn't be like job, 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 job. It will be, because the jobs take different lengths, these will go at different speeds. Cool, so the job queue is finished already. These will keep running, but I've started the job queue again, the publisher, and you will see that these will keep running. And if you wanted to, you could have multiple publishers. But I think in most use cases, you're going to have 1 service publish 1 type of job, and you're going to have you might have 1 or more things cracking through them. But yeah, hopefully this has been a good demo of using Rabbit queues. More to come.